welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put together my protein treatment and apply it. And today I am using Cantu leave-in conditioner, Aunt Jackie's deep conditioning mask, coconut oil, but I just threw away the container, and 2 large eggs. Consistency is going to look a little like that. And I'm starting off on freshly washed hair that I just recently separated. And this product will drip a bit. There's a lot of slip in it due to the eggs and the coconut oil. I use the natural coconut oil or organic coconut oil that you get from the grocery store. And whenever you heat this product up or mix it with other products or rub it in your palms, it warms up and it gets a little like a oil, like an arganol a bit. It's thick, but it is likely to dry everywhere. And the curl definition is popping very well with these products. The eggs have a lot of slip, and they also add the most to the protein treatment as well. You know, some naturals say that maybe you shouldn't do a protein treatment as often or at all, but for me, I like to do one once a month or every 2 weeks. And for me, I haven't did one for the whole month of May, so I'm gonna go ahead and start in June on my protein treatment. And for the sections, I sectioned it randomly, different points of my hair, and my hair is very thin, the strands are, so my hair is very much open to getting breakage. And I made way too much product, but I won't be using all the product, but I will definitely be using a generous amount of the product. And for this protein treatment, I am really getting the results that I hope for. The products are absorbing into my hair nicely, and I haven't had any problems with it just sitting on top of my hair. And as you can see, as you finger detangle, there's little chunks in my hair or a little couple bits of build-up material on the top of my hair. A little flake. It looks like little flakes, but that's just from the eggs. Whenever you mix the eggs really fast or finger detangle real rough, like, the eggs have the potential to scramble, and I haven't found a way to prevent the eggs from scrambling, but that happens whenever you're using a protein treatment with eggs. Chemicals mixed together, the friction, and I like to really finger detangle thoroughly to make sure that product is all the way in my hair so I can get the desired results. Using the little prayer hands method and getting it all in there. And I like to make sure it's all in my hair before I move on to another section. And as you can see, I am twisting out the sections once I finish with applying the product. And there's a lot of strands, you know, coming out of my hair, but that's just from my hair, like, finger detangling, and I just wash it as well, and as I'm applying the product, that happens with my fingers. And as you can see, after a while, I just stop sectioning it off. In appropriate sections, I just grabbed a bunch of hair and started to apply the product. I'm assuring that I have the product all the way into my hair before finishing the other side. And I always like to do my front last. Start at the back and then I do the front last. And this is what my hair is looking like after I have put all the Protien treatment in there. And I'm not gonna leave it in for too long because I took a long time to put it in. I took my time to put it into my hair and I applied a generous amount, so I'm not gonna leave it in too long, about 20 to 30 minutes for this Protien treatment. Then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out or wash it out. Yeah. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into twist and put it under my cap until I get ready to rinse it out. And I've applied a generous amount to my hair, so I'm definitely not leaving it all long. That product has had time to seep into my hair. I don't want to leave it in too long. You're not supposed to leave a Protien treatment in very long at all. And don't judge me, guys. Once I twisted this out, I went to go search for my shower cap or a plastic cap for this Protien treatment, and I just moved in, so I'm not sure where I placed it at the moment. So I'm just gonna compromise and put plastic bags over it. It works the same. It does the same job. So, and then I'm gonna be applying, or not applying, I'm gonna be placing 2 plastic bags in my hair for the remainder of 20 minutes at this point. And I'm gonna let it sit after that. And as you can see, I had a little trouble trying to get that second plastic bag to stay, but you know, I got it done. And as you can see, I didn't use all the conditioner. I'm just going to toss it into the trash because, you know, eggs aren't supposed to sit around that long until my next Protien treatment. And this is after I've washed the Protien treatment out of my hair. My hair has still some definition and my hair is saturated with water right after I've rinsed it And I'm definitely not going to be drying it with this towel. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my moisturizing products for the finished look while I still have the water in my hair. And I really wanted to use my Shea Miracle Bouncy Pudding Custard, but once I put it into my hair, I realized that it wasn't giving me the right slip, and the product was sitting directly right on top of my hair, and it wasn't defining my curls or anything. So I went ahead and went right on back to trusty old Cantu leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to use a very generous amount to get all the moisture I can get for my hair. And I also went ahead and applied coconut oil to my hair as well. And as you can see, that Cantu went ahead and went right into my hair for that moisture. And my hair on this side already looks better than the hair on the other side, I can see. So, safe to say, glad I had the Cantu, because I haven't been able to run out and get my regular leave-in conditioner that I love, my Olive Miracle, or I haven't been able to go and get any As I Am leave-in conditioner at the moment. So, I went ahead and put that Cantu in there for some moisture. And I wanted to use Quench from Aunt Jackie's collection, but I was definitely out of that. And this is my end result of my protein treatment and moisture routine for my hair. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching my video, and come right on back for another. Thank you.